Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating your Shopify account and immediately choose a plan that fits your sales forecast. This gets you into the admin. Next, define a narrow niche and list 5 core products so you focus design and marketing. Once done, secure a domain through Shopify or connect your custom domain to build trust and SEO. Make sure DNS settings match. These first actionable steps set structure so you can rapidly build pages and add products without overplanning. You now focus on design and detailed setup so customers convert. Choose a fast, responsive theme and adjust header, fonts, and mobile layout because most buyers use phones. Then add each product with SKU, variants, weight, and optimized images. Write benefit-led descriptions to improve conversions. After that, configure shipping zones, carrier or flat rates, taxes, and connect payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal so checkout works worldwide. Make sure notifications and policies are clear before launching. You finish by optimizing and validating everything before you go live. Update product and page SEO, titles, meta descriptions, and image alt text so search engines index your store. Once done, run full end-to-end checkout tests with different payment methods, apply a test discount, and confirm analytics and pixel tracking are firing. If something breaks, check for app conflicts, review theme custom code, and verify payment and webhook credentials. Those steps resolve most launch issues and keep orders flowing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.